China's Tara oilfield has boosted its daily natural gas supply volume to 90 million cubic meters to meet increasing heating needs. The oilfield is located in Tarim Basin, a major petroliferous basin in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. It has been a key provider for the country's 4,000-kilometer west-to-east gas pipeline project, as well as that of the heating in South Xinjiang. Since the beginning of winter, natural gas consumption has seen a sharp rise. The Kurla-Kirshan gas field, the largest of its kind in Tarim oilfield, has increased production in 38 gas wells in the area. Its daily gas production has increased from 36 million cubic meters to 43.5 million cubic meters. Natural gas from the oilfield has benefited approximately 400 million residents across more than 120 cities and over 3,000 enterprises since the pipeline began operations in 2004.